warm. Oh! Stop! I'll tape you. Oh, shoot. Oh, ew! What the heck, man? All right, it's on, bro. Stay. Turn now. Stay there. Stupid thing. Oh, that's good. Okay. Okay, new moment. Oh, too much moment. Too much! What the heck are you? Come on, man. I'm not playing anymore. Didn't I turn you? Oh, there's a bug on it. Good. You got my eye on you, bro. Alright. Time for some fun. You. The fridge. I'll tell you. Alright. Let's do this. Oh! Alright. Listen. Stay. There. Stay. 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 Wait, do I have an open one? Alright. This way. Slippery. Oh, are you kidding? Okay, that's how it's gonna be. Right, that's fine. That is so fine, my guy. Do this. Oh, it ripped. That's problematic for somebody else. All right. Open. No, I should put that in my mouth. What the? Did that to myself, I suppose. Listen, buddy, this is keeping you and me in a civil relationship, okay? Stay there. Kidding me. Now, cooking. All right. Oh! Stop it! This is mine now. I'm sick of you. See, if you face this way, then you can't get me. I got you. I got you. I'm watching you. Where's my thing? Where are they? Ah, here you are. Just one. That's the one for today. Touch the wine! Oh, okay, buddy. Oh, shoot, I got my thing. Crap. Oh, well. Good thing I got two. All right, mister. Let's go tap. Let's go tap. All right. What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? Look, it's way cooler in the movies. Oh, the stuff's on my... All right, listen. This is just you and me now, buddy. You and me. It's just you and me. What are you gonna do now? Come on! All right. Now you got nothing. Stupid. All right. Shoot. How am I gonna get you out of there? Where's my thing? Broke. Oh, these keep ripping, and this seems like for some. Only 99% affected. I think that should be labeled bigger. These both broke. Large, this is small. Seems like a logical error. Oh, reliable. Let's go. There she is. This is. Ooh. All right. I thought I taped you. What? Where did the tape even go? Oh man, what now? I taped you, right? Peace. Come here. Come on. Oh, wet. That is your fault, mister. And you know what? Oh, are you kidding? All right, I'm not taking my eyes off you. And I'm looking at you. Why? I'm looking. Not gonna get me, buddy. All right. Well, this is how we're gonna play. Ooh, look at that color. Turn. Does these have to wait down at the box? It's like what, like 2 minutes normally? Give it another dip. wait. Back to my snack. Oh. Oh. Cork. Oh, thing. Oh. You done? Come on! Tell me. Anxiety is killing me. Is this not the right kind? Why is it not working? I can move it around. The floor's already wet anyway. So. Are you done now? Oh my God, just, you gotta give me something. How many times do I have to duck it? This is literally disgusting. Which one of you is not gonna break? Let's try again. Kidding me? I give up. I don't understand. Mister. It's really not gonna work. Come on, alright, one more try. One more try. I'm gonna do one more time. Oh my God, you're going insane. You're losing your mind, Hannah. Losing your mind. Alright. It's you and me. It is you and me, mister. Dunk. 1, 2, 3. Right, that's it. Are you kidding me? What is going on? This stupid thing! God! Ugh! I give up. This is ridiculous. I absolutely positively, I give up. I don't even know what's going on anymore, and I don't even want wine. I don't want wine. I don't want anything. I'm quitting. I'm quitting this game. Just clean up my mess and get. Ugh!